Curious George and the Pizza by Margaret and H.A. Ray, retold by Sam from 207. One night, Curious George went with his friend to go out for pizza. George liked to watch the owner of the pizzeria, Tony, use all the dough, cheese, and sauce. If Tony can do that, why can't George? Then the phone rang. "It's from the factory," said Tony's wife. "They want a large pizza. But hurry, they're going to close soon." Meanwhile, George was being a monkey. He was playing with the dough. Unfortunately, as he threw up the dough, it didn't land quite where he wanted it to. Tony was not happy. "Who did that?" he yelled. George was frightened. He ran into a small truck to hide. Little did he know it was Tony's truck. Tony was already late, so he jumped into the truck and drove away. But he was too late. Check out Curious George and the Pizza from the Hoover Library to find out what Tony will do.